Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pinterest quality on Pinterest app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on Pinterest app, you click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above we can search about Pinterest and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.